SIDU. SLDP. ASAN. SEGG.
Boom.
SATL.
BSX, Boston Scientific, announcing
OSTX.
agreement to acquire Penumbra.
Riley.
That's BSX and PEN.
SEGG.
SPHL. Watch the spread.
$374 per share for Penumbra. Penumbra share is now at $349.86.
ABBX. Watch the spread.
Again, Boston Scientific to acquire Penumbra for
SPHL. Big spread.
$374 per share.
SPHL.
SBSW.
Again.
Either in cash or in shares of Boston Scientific common stock. That's Bravo Sandy X-Ray Papa Echo November.
SPHL.
SPHL, Springview Holdings,
SPHL.
announcing strategic partnership
SPHL.
with Jiangsu GSO New Energy Technology. That's Sandy Papa Total Lima. SPHL.
OCUL.
TLN, Talon Energy,
RZLV.
acquires high-quality PJM natural gas assets from Energy Capital Partners. That's $3.45 billion, including $2.55 billion in cash. That's Tango Lima
SPHL.
November.
SPHL.
CWEN, Clearway Energy, signs portfolio of power purchase agreements with Google totaling nearly 2.2 gigawatts across 3 states.
SPHL.
$2.4 billion
SPHL
invested in
improving price
reliable
action.
energy infrastructure on the 3 projects. That's CWEN and GOOGL.
SPHL.
NBIS. SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL range expansion.
This one is not, this
RZLV.
broker is not letting me trade this stock. So what we would,
SPHL hitting $4.11 at the highs on that deal.
Riley.
so what we would have to do is call the broker and tell them to place a trade
In
for us.
on solar and green energy solutions in Singapore. That's Sandy Papa Hotel Lima.
ROLR.
If you're trading
SPHL.
from TOS, if you're on Webull, I think he might let
ROLR. U. OCUL.
you trade it through online without having to call. And yesterday,
Riley.
this popped
RZLV.
up at a random time, but this one
OCUL.
popped up at
IBRX.
518, and you were able to trade it. So that's really good.
AGPU.
And it definitely made a huge move. See how high it went up. I think it went up
RFIL.
700%. $29 in a day.
Riley. IBRX.
The broker lets you trade it. I don't know
SPHL.
why they... SPHL.
SPHL. OCUL. OCUL.
I think if people could keep complaining about like the broker not letting you trade stocks like
SPHL.
this, it's kind of like discriminating. I would say maybe the SEC might get involved and say like, "Yo, you guys
OCUL.
need to stop restricting trades or
OCUL.
just put out like some notification saying this is a risky
OCUL.
trade and blah blah blah. And if you agree, then you can trade it."
OSTX.
OCUL. 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 OCUL follow through developing. OCUL. 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 ROLR.
BSX, Boston Scientific shares falling on that
OCUL.
acquisition of Penumbra.
OSTX.
Shares now
SPHL.
at $90.50, down about $3 off the lows. On BSX, Rallo Sandy X-Ray.
SPHL. OCUL. SPHL. OCUL. SPHL.
We're even going up on this. What's this low? 1298. That's not really worth it. OSTX.
OSTX.
No. Okay, let's just focus on what's at the top of the scanner. Okay,
SPHL.
SPHL, we can't trade that one online.
OSTX.
And then we'll have
ROLR.
That one's not making any moves. That might have been like a previous day.
SPHL. 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 SPHL starting to open up. SPHL. 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 RZLV. SPHL. SIDU. ROLR. 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 ROLR momentum improving. Big spread. SPHL. ROLR. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
Should have
SPHL getting attention. SPHL.
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 Should have pre-called them at
ROLR.
like 355. Get past all the verification stuff, and then I would have been able to place this trade
ROLR.
right at 4, which was what I said I was going to do 2 days ago.
SPHL. OCUL. B. Big spread. OCUL. 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 ROLR. OCUL. OCUL. OCUL.
BMNR.
OKLO. BMNR. BMNR. Riley. SPHL.
DGXX.
BMNR.
Okay, so now we're waiting.
BMNR.
BMNR is too pricey. And the floor share is
SMR.
like 452 million. So now we're waiting till 4:30 for another breakout.
SPHL.
Hopefully we get something that we could trade through online without having
SPHL.
to call the broker. They're not restricting any of these volatile stocks
SPHL.
yet.
SPHL warming up.
They just want to
SPHL.
they just want you to call
SPHL.
and place the trade with
SPHL.
the broker so they could read their policy of like, oh, this is a high risk stock and blah blah blah.
SPHL. OCUL.
But if you're trading stocks in general, you
BYND.
should know there's a risk and you could potentially lose money. So they are just trying to protect the investors, but at the same time, you're kind of hurting the companies.
SUUN.
Because I feel like this is a US, is this a US stock or is this like a, oh, this is a overseas.
Riley. 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 SPHL. Riley.
If you're trading from Webull, you could probably trade this right now.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL activity increasing. SPHL. QUBT. ROLR. SPHL. OCUL. 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 OSTX. OCUL. ROLR. OSTX. OCUL. ROLR. OCUL. ROLR. SPHL. ROLR.
Okay, I'll be back.
Path. ROLR. 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 ROLR on watch. ROLR. 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 OCUL. SPHL. U. Riley. SPHL. SEGG. Riley. SPHL. 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 LRCX.
Benzinger market update. S&P futures up 22.75. Dow futures up 49. NASDAQ is up 198.50. Crude is down $2.02, $59.86. Natural gas is up 6 cents at
ROLR.
$3.18. Gold down 16.20 at 46.1950. Silver down 55 cents at $90.83. Bitcoin futures down 1,045 at 96,920. Coming
Did
up
we
at
miss anything?
7:30, earnings from
Nope.
GS,
BMNR.
Goldman Sachs, and MS Morgan
SPHL.
Stanley.
SYPR.
SPHL. BMNR. SPHL. 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 SEGG. Mu. Big spread. ROLR. Riley. Riley. ROLR. SPHL. 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 SPHL worth monitoring. SPHL. SPHL. ROLR. Pen. Watch the spread. SPHL. SPHL. OCGN.
He was on the news.
BMNR.
U.S. apologized
OCUL.
for deporting Massachusetts college student.
Riley. Pen. Watch the spread. BMNR. SPHL. 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 Pen. Watch the spread.
Arrest warrant issued for
SPHL.
boxing champion Gervonta Davis. That boy always putting his hands on
SPHL.
women. Iran, the killing needs to stop.
U.
ICE agent who shot Renee Good suffered internal bleeding after incident.
SPHL.
Green card update reveals.
BMNR, Bitmine share is now at
You.
33.27, up about 60 cents after announcing a partnership with Mr. Beast.
Watch the spread. Riley.
BMNR. GS Goldman Sachs is out.
Riley.
Goldman Sachs reporting $14.01. The estimate $11.67. Revenue $13.45 billion.
SPHL.
The estimate $13.79 billion in revenue for GS.
SPHL. 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 SPHL interesting action.
SPHL.
SPHL.
Probably looking at probably like $2, $3. No, 262, 109%. Yeah, I should have just called the broker like 5 minutes prior to 4 a.m.
AGPU big spread.
My mistake. Even
OCUL.
though I said I was going to do it, I thought there was going to get some like leeway with
OCUL.
placing a trade online, but they
OCUL.
stripped on L.
OCUL. OCUL developing setup. SPHL. OCUL. SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL. AGPU big spread. AGPU. AGPU. AGPU watch the spread.
AGPU base
bruh.
building. Knock. OCUL. 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 OCUL in play. OCUL. OCUL. OCUL.
Bruh, I don't want to touch OCUL.
OCUL.
Stock is
SPHL.
I want
SPHL.
I'm about to just call this broker.
SPHL.
OCUL. BYND.
AGPU.
OCUL. INTC. INTC. SPHL. OCUL. INTC. INTC. APLD. Riley.
Morgan Stanley is out, reporting $2.68, beating the $2.41 estimate. Sales $17.89 billion, beating the $17.77 billion estimate.
SLNH.
That's Mike Sandy, MS.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
FTEL.
SPHL. SPHL. SLNH. SLNH.
SLNH.
Okay, so now we're at 4:30,
SLNH.
so now we should get
SLNH.
another breakout.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
SLNH.
SPHL. SPHL showing activity.
Array.
SPHL.
SPHL's at the top of the scanner.
SPHL.
AGPU, Axe Compute.
SPHL.
Shares moving
SPHL.
higher here, up
SPHL volume
24%.
present.
Not yet seeing any news.
Array.
SIDU.
Array.
SIDU. SPHL. SPHL. Riley.
Riley. Riley.
Riley. Riley. Riley price stabilizing.
Ladder. Just going straight up. This is like the most perfect setup ever, but the broker won't let you trade it because they think it's a high risk.
SLNH.
Somebody
Riley.
had to be complain, and it had to be like up there, that complaint, for them to change something that is so easy to do.
SPHL. SPHL. SLNH. Riley,
Riley, Riley,
Riley, Riley,
Riley,
Riley trend developing.
Riley,
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 Riley, Riley,
Riley,
Riley basing. Riley,
Riley,
BRC,
Riley.
Riley, RILY, BRC Group, $11.20 now, continuing to pop
Riley,
on increasing
Riley.
volume now. That's Romeo India Lima Yankee.
Riley,
Riley
Let's
showing
see.
strength. Riley,
Lets me trade it.
SPHL, Riley, Riley, ROLR. Pen. Watch the spread. SPHL, 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 SPHL starting to move. SPHL, SPHL,
Low shares only 420,000.
CGTL big
420K.
spread, CGTL big spread,
CGTL,
CGTL,
Bruh, if they don't let me fucking trade this,
CGTL, Riley,
Riley,
bruh, they won't let me trade it.
SPHL, RZLV, MS, big spread. Riley, MS, FLYX, CGTL, ROLR, big spread. Riley. 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 SPHL. Riley. 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 Riley gaining traction.
Riley.
BRC Riley continuing
Riley.
to pop here.
ELDN.
$11.50.
OCUL.
CRGO. CGTL.
SPHL. CGTL. NIO. OCUL. SPHL. SPHL. Riley. CGTL. Pen. Watch the spread. CGTL. Mu. Big spread. Mu. Big spread. Riley. CGTL. Riley. Riley.
CCHH.
SPHL. BYND.
CCHH.
ROLR. Big spread. Pen. ROLR. Big spread. SPHL. 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 SPHL picking up. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL
Oh my
starting to wake
gosh,
up.
this shit is not want to die. I don't see why this is restricted. This is like an easy setup. Charles knows best, I guess. Yes.
SPHL.
Not
SPHL.
restricted. It's only restricted online. Like, you can still trade this, but you have to call.
NVDA.
CRGO.
ROLR. ROLR. Riley. SPHL. SPHL.
I'm gonna break the high again.
SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL improving price action.
SPHL. SPHL.
I'm gonna wait for a pullback.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL.
GS Goldman Sachs shares pulling back now $924.
SPHL.
Down about $8.
SPHL.
Also raising its quarterly
SPHL.
12.5% to $4.50.
SPHL resistance getting tested. SPHL. 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 Let it come to you.
SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL.
Why is this
SPHL.
restricted?
SPHL. 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 SPHL starting to open up. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL base building.
SLNH. SLNH.
SLNH. SPHL.
SLNH. SLNH.
SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL momentum improving.
SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL. Riley. ROLR. 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 SPHL. ROLR. Big spread.
SPHL.
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 SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL volume waking.
SPHL. SPHL.
Interesting. SPHL.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL trying. SPHL. SPHL building.
SPHL. SPHL.
Activity picking up. SPHL.
SPHL.
Activity picking up.
SPHL.
SPHL. This is getting interesting.
SPHL.
OCUL. SIDU. 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 SPHL. SPHL needs a little more juice. SPHL. 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 Spread. Big spread.
SPHL.
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 SPHL developing setup.
SPHL.
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 SPHL keep it on radar.
SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL.
Oh my
SPHL.
fucking
SPHL
gosh.
volume. SPHL need to
SPHL. SPHL.
SPHL. SPHL seeing more
I
activity.
called the broker.
SPHL.
SPHL big spread.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
HL. SPH.
Yep.
Coming up at 8:30, jobless claims, the Philly Fed business conditions for January, New York Empire State Manufacturing Index for January, import and export price index for November. Fed's Bostic coming up at 8:35 a.m. Eastern Time. Also, Fed's Goolsby at 8:30 coming up on CNBC.
Riley.
Okay, so I called to place a trade at 7. I just did like 100. I just wanted to test something out. So I placed this trade at 453 for a limit
Riley.
at 7.
Riley volume present.
$7.30. That's when I placed it. And you can see it went up to $12. But I called the broker and it took a total of 5 minutes.
SPHL.
No, actually, I got to the person around,
Riley.
I want to say a minute 30
Riley.
into the call.
Riley. Riley price stabilizing.
But this whole thing took like 5 minutes to place a trade. But I placed this trade. I'm reading the order.
Riley.
Buy plus 100 SPHL at $7.30. Limit extended hours January 15th at 4:53. And you could see from 7:30 it went up $5, 68% in 2 minutes. Not
Knock.
even 2 minutes. 1 minute.
CGTL.
Which he tells you,
CGTL.
what price do you want to place
SPHL.
this order at?
CGTL.
Me, it literally went 3
SPHL.
cents. It didn't even feel it because it went 3 cents above of that 7:30. So I didn't even get to profit off of this. And you can't even adjust it, he said. You would have to call him back to, I mean, you could cancel it or you could sell it, but you can't do another buy order.
CGTL.
I know what to do. I know what to do. Just gonna call. This is something that I should have did at 4 a.m.
CGTL.
I should have just called.
SPHL.
At 4 a.m. and place that trade. As soon as it
SPHL.
popped up on my scanner. But I was not expecting this type of breakout. I guess we're in a fire market now. Just have to place.
Riley.
Maybe this is a good thing because now since people can buy, they have to call and hold.
Riley.
Price won't fluctuate that crazy anymore. Bro, I would have been up $500 just off this little test trade. If it actually filled, I should have placed it a couple cents higher. It was bouncing at 740, 735-ish. I just wanted to do like a good pullback.
AZTR.
730,
ROLR.
which was 3
Big spread.
cents above. My order was 3 cents below of what the rest of the
TSLA.
orders was fluctuating at.
SPHL. CGTL. 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 CGTL trend developing.
GTBP exclusive to Benskin and
ADVA.
GT Biopharma announcing IND submission for GTB 5550
CCHH.
trike. Reports preliminary unaudited cash balance of about $7 million as of December 31st.
AGPU.
That's Golf Tango Bravo
TOVX.
Papa GTBP.
ROLR.
LTRX.
VXRT, Vaxart publishes data for its oral bivalent
ADVA.
norovirus candidate in
Tune.
lactating women.
VSX.
That's Victor X-ray Romeo Tango.
All
Air.
so now
And
we're
their-
at
and their
the
infants
five-day
as well.
breakout, And
VXRT,
I
IXHL,
don't
in
expect to see any
Mechanics
random
Healthcare
stock
wins
pop up
Research and
the way
Development Award for
SPHL
Obstructive
did.
Sleep Apnea Program.
ACDA.
That's
I
India
think
X-Ray
most
Hotel
of the
Lima.
people that traded today have already
IXHL.
profited from SPHL, and they're kind of done
YYAI.
for the day.
MTN Vail Resorts reports certain ski
ELOG.
season metrics for
AUID.
season to date period ending January
GMPX.
4th. That's Michael Tango
GPAT.
November.
ADTX. GSIT.
BNKK. Indo volume building slowly.
Rare big
I
spread.
do still have my order
Indo.
at the 7:30
Indo. MWG. Trib.
price mark.
RFIL.
BNKK.
AZTR.
I think I'm just going to
BNKK.
cancel this.
BSVN Bank
call it a
7
day.
reporting.
Tomorrow, I know what to do.
SQQQ.
Even though I said that 2 days ago. I just
AUID.
wasn't.
SNAL.
I was just expecting them
XPON.
to let me actually place a trade.
$1.12. Bravo Sandy Victor November. The estimate was $1.05, so that's a beat for BSVN.
BNKK.
Yeah, I think I'm
BNKK.
gonna just cancel this order.
BNKK.
NVNO, Nvino
BNKK.
executes a 1 for 35
CFKK.
reverse stock split. November Victor,
BNKK.
November Oscar.
BNKK.
Watch this shit.
BNKK, Bank welcome strategic partner 10X
Oh,
Protocols
that's
following
AGPU.
public debut and acquisition of
BNKK.
220 billion Bank digital assets.
Stay on this one.
That's Bravo November Kilo Kilo.
SPHL.
BNKK.
Hover over because I want to be able to still watch this one.
SPHL.
SVM.
Shares of
SPHL.
Bank spiking
SPHL
on that
strength.
news.
Okay. so-
SPHL. SPHL. AAL. AUID.
J&J, Johnson & Johnson introduces
DOXL.
mobile simulator app to
AUID.
support breast augmentation patients. That's Juliet,
BNKK.
November Juliet.
BNKK.
AUID and NOW, Auth ID
BNKK.
announcing integration with
BNKK.
ServiceNow. That's Alpha
BNKK
Uniform,
starting to
India
move.
Delta, and November
BNKK.
Oscar Whiskey. APH Amphenol
BNKK.
announcing
BNKK
details of
seeing more
open
activity.
offer for ADC
BNKK maybe.
India
EOXL.
Communications.
All right, so we're
BNKK.
able to trade BNKK. I'm still watching
1,233.59 Indian
SPHL,
rupees,
even
volume
though
about
it's only
$16.36 million.
down.
That's
BNKK
Alpha
need
Papa
to see
Hotel.
follow through.
BNKK
BNKK.
bonk on that press
BNKK
release,
showing some
$4,
strength.
$5.03 now.
BNKK.
Shares
BNKK.
continuing to spike on increasing volume.
RFIL big spread.
AUID. SPHL. 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 SPHL improving price action.
SPHL ain't going.
SPHL. 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 SPHL range expansion. SPHL.
AGPU.
SPHL. SPHL.
BNKK.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL keep it on radar. SPHL.
SXTP, 60 Degrees Farmer announcing approval of reverse stock split
SPHL.
ratio. Send the X-ray
SPHL
Tango
showing some
Papa.
life.
AGPU.
SPHL. SPHL. SPHL.
BNKK.
SPHL is not going anywhere.
SPHL. SPHL starting to open up. SPHL. BNKK.
But the thing is, when you call
SPHL.
a broker and you place a trade, they don't read the policy or anything. They just want you to call them.
Mu.
So dumb.
SPHL. SPHL.
They don't say no
SPHL.
policy.
SPHL
They
momentum
said there's
improving.
no commission. What
SPHL.
the fuck am I calling
SPHL.
you for? Yes.
SPHL. SPHL activity picking up. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL this is worth watching. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL worth a quick watch. SPHL. SPHL. SPHL let it come to you. SPHL.
SPHL then took off from my 730. I thought it was gonna.
SPHL.
He just
SPHL resistance getting
tapped
tested.
730.
DVLT.
Jesus.
AUID. AUID.
This shit's done.
AUID.
Back to SPHL.
AUID. AUID. BNKK.
All right, y'all. Actually, we'll wait till 5:30. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly where my shit's at.
SPHL.
That's where my
SPHL need to
order's
see
at.
follow through.
7:30.
SPHL.
And you can see
AUID.
I placed my order at
AUID.
453. Look at the motherfucking
AUID.
candlestick. This bitch say
AUID.
7.
AUID.
AUID
Its
on
low
watch.
for this candle was
AUID.
734. I was 4 cents away from this order, motherfucking billion.
BNKK. BNKK.
Charles Schwab, I'm about to crash out.
RVPH.
I'm about to crash out. Nah, y'all gonna have to pay up, bruh. Y'all gonna have to pay me my money. $5.18 says off of 100 shares.
BNKK. BNKK worth monitoring. BNKK. BNKK.
Yeah, I'm about to crash out, bro.
BNKK. CGTL. BNKK.
AGPU.
AUID. See follow. AUID. CGTL. SPHL.
TCOM.
BNKK. CGTL. AUID. SPHL. SPHL. AUID. SPHL. SPHL. AUID. AUID.
Bro, that's some hoe shit.
SPHL.
It's not even. It's not gonna. If it taps this,
SPHL.
that's pretty much the stock is done. Done so.
SPHL.
That's what my
SPHL.
order was. That's where I called the broker to place it.
SPHL.
'Cause
SPHL interesting
right
action.
here, I was going through the process
BNKK.
to validation, and I like this little pullback right here.
BNKK.
Because each candlestick you have a breakout, minor pullback, breakout, minor pullback, breakout, and then right here was a minor pullback. So I'm expecting it to go back up again, which is why I placed the trade at $7.30. And as you can see, it hit $7.34,
SPHL.
and it did a breakout to $12, as I predicted. Bruh, who do I have to complain
BNKK.
to take this dumb online restricting trading thing away? My order's
BNKK.
just sitting there. Nah, y'all gonna have to pay me. That's what I'm about to call you. Y'all gonna have to pay me my money.
AUID.
Y'all started this stupid calling the broker rule.
SIDU.
Doesn't even read me any
MDIA.
policies. Nothing. No risk, nothing. No commission. It's just like reading it.
AUID.
Okay, you want to do pre-market? What price do you want to buy it at? Limit. Boom. Okay.
AUID.
Sit. Fuck. I do that shit myself. Been doing it for 10 years.
AUID.
My shit just sitting there. I know, guy. I know a little. My 100 shares. You would have been
AUID.
$500 today, but
BNKK. BNKK maybe. BNKK.
BNKK can suck my.
SPHL.
AGPU. SPHL.
Placed my order
AUID.
53.
IREN. BNKK. 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 SPHL. GTV.
Coming up at 8:30 Eastern Time. Initial claims expecting 215,000, continuing claims 1.89 million. The New York Empire State Manufacturing Index for January plus 0.8%. The import price index minus 0.1% expected. Export price index for November plus 0.2% month over month. Also, the Philly Fed business conditions for January. Fed's Goolsby coming up at 8:30 on CNBC, and Fed's Bostic at 8:35.
Okay, so here's how it should have played out.
BNKK.
Even if, because my order right now is sitting right here, because I had to call the broker.
BNKK.
They won't let you place online trades. So it's just
BNKK.
sitting right here.
BNKK developing setup.
It would have been
BNKK.
filled right here, and I would
BNKK.
have been able to profit based off this little test, because I only bought 100
SPHL.
shares, because I wanted to see how quick they would place my trades, if they read any
BNKK.
policies, whatever.
DTIL.
But it was
BNKK.
4 cents
BNKK.
from trading.
BNKK bonk
And
on
it went
that
up to $12.
PR.
But
Now it's
BNKK.
$4.70 off the highs, moving back
BNKK.
higher again now.
which I
BNKK
did
at
say
At a
that
high
I
of
was going to call the broker
$5.36.
prior to 4 a.m. breakouts, which like 350.
BNKK.
No,
BNKK,
BNKK.
I would say
heavy volume now
SLNH.
in
I
that
would
one.
call the broker and waited till 4 a.m. to place a trade until
BNKK.
the scanner tells me what stock to trade. SPHL, because this one was already restricted for online trading, in this time zone right here anyway.
BNKK.
And I would have bought maybe 1,000 shares, and I just would have rode this all the way to the top. Off of its low was 242.
BNKK.
So
BNKK showing activity.
position. I would have
BNKK.
made
AQMS big spread.
10,000.
BNKK.
CMCL.
BNKK. BNKK volume present.
Whatever. I told myself I was going to do that.
BNKK.
SPHL. INTC.
Yo, thank you so much.
INTC.
Hoth. Hoth.
$13 till
AUID.
we get another breakout.
AUID.
5:30, and if I don't
Hoth.
see anything, then I'm gonna call it. But this SPHL is at the top
AUID.
of the scanner, and it's up 252%. It was higher, actually,
CMCL.
444%.
Lean
on the
big
day.
spread. BNKK.
It went up
BNKK.
$10.
BNKK.
Okay, now we're in the $7
Hoth.
range.
Hoth positive.
I still have my
Therapeutics
orders
has
just
reached
sitting
European
there.
Union regulatory
7:30.
inflection. BNKK.
Watch it fucking just tap
2
2 cents. 2 cents away from triggering. Watch it not even hit.
CGTL.
I should just cancel it.
CGTL.
MDIA.
BNKK.
CMCL big spread.
BNKK.
BNKK.
Yeah, I'm gonna just
BNKK.
cancel that shit.
BNKK.
BNKK. This is getting interesting.
I canceled it.
BNKK.
This is going on a
BNKK
downtrend
607
anyway.
now at the highs. Bravo November Kilo. Bravo November Kilo. Bravo November Kilo BNKK $6.07 the high on increasing volume.
So if I did leave it there, it would have triggered right now. Good thing I canceled it. That's my
MDIA.
instincts. Well, it's common sense, obviously, if the stock is going down.
Hoth.
I did trade BNKK though.
HOTH Hot Therapeutics reached
Let me
key
just
EU,
make sure there's
key
no
EU regulatory
orders.
inflection point advancing H2001
CGTL.
oncology trial toward multi-country site activation. That's HOTH. U.S. has seized a Venezuela-linked tanker
DPR.
ahead of Machado-Trump meeting. That's reported by Reuters.
Yeah, so
SPHL. BNKK. SPHL.
DPRO.
SPHL.
done.
DPRO.
SPHL. SPHL.
DPRO.
SPHL. SPHL trend developing.
I don't even
SPHL.
care if it's just
SPHL.
100 shares. Like it should have filled right here.
SPHL. SPHL needs a stronger push.
Boom.
SPHL. 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 This is worth watching. SPHL. SPHL range is narrowing.
All right, y'all.
BNKK.
I'm going to call it. That is going to be the end of the stream. Make sure you like it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
AUID. SPHL. 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 SPHL starting to move.